Today I'm going to be demonstrating and reviewing this Plusinno 357 piece fishing lure set that I recently purchased online. Now obviously this is going to have a ton of different pieces in it because it's got 373. This is not gigantic. As you can see, I'm easily holding it in my hand. So in regards to the size of the lures, they're obviously not going to be huge, right? So this does have a nice pretty sturdy clip right onto there. And then you can see some of the 300 and some odd pieces that are going to be in there. So each of these is going to count as a piece. So you're talking hooks, weights, lures, little pieces for your hooks and weights and lures and things. You've got rubbers, you've got all of these. So of those 373 pieces, a lot of them are going to be hooks. You can see there's a ton of hooks that are right inside of here. You've got some bobbers as well to go with it. You've got some soft plastics, some hard plastics, a variety of different ones in here that you can use. Now here I'm out at the pond. They typically like the lighter colored ones. So I'm going to be trying some of these lighter colored ones here. I actually think I might try like one of this yellow one or maybe this like greenish colored one. I also do like this one here, this hard plastic that's got the kind of the yellowish on the top, the silver on the bottom, pink on the head, so a variety of different colors. I might try that out here. This is pretty murky, so typically you want to go with something pretty bright when you're out here fishing. So let me go ahead and hook one of these up here and we'll see if we can catch anything. So this is one of the ones we're going to be trying out. So obviously it comes with a variety of different ones inside of that set, but I feel like this is probably going to do the best here in this pond. So let's see. So I got it cast out there. You can kind of see this is just going to be like a top water lure. So you can kind of see what the action looks like on top of the water there. It just kind of goes back and forth. You can reel. The bass that are in this pond are smaller, so I'm not sure how well this bigger one will work. Normally they'll, even the smaller ones are normally pretty aggressive out here in the morning time. Now this is in the evening, so it's starting to get dark across the pond. Not dark, but starting to get a little bit dim out, so there's not direct sunlight here on the pond. So I'm just going to kind of like reel it, just pop it a little bit here, see if I can get some action maybe as we get closer to shore. So unfortunately didn't end up catching anything with this guy. Now, obviously you can just kind of see some of the other ones, so I just want to kind of showcase some of the other ones it comes with. So you can see you got that one as well. That's probably going to be a top water just like this one is. I'm guessing this is a top water as well since it doesn't have a bill on it. And then you've got a bunch of soft plastics here, a variety of different colors. So you got the paddle tails, you got some additional paddle tails that have the different, like the ribbing on them. You got the, I forget what the corkscrew tails are, but you got some of these like split tails as well, some regular plastics. It does come with this guy as well. So this one is going to have a bill on it. And then you got your pliers, you got a little divider so you can put everything in. And then of course, a lot of hooks. So in regards to lures, you are going to get some lures, but you're only going to get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, looks like 3 what I would term traditional lures, or 4. Okay, so you're going to get 4 like traditional lures. And with this set, you're going to get a good amount of plastics. So you got 5 in here, looks like 5 in there, 6 in there, so 11, 15, 20, 25, maybe like 35, 40 of the rubber lures. And then you've got a bunch of hooks, weights, all of those sorts of things in this set. So just important to note, that's exactly what it is going to come with. And then of course you can easily, carry this with you wherever you are going to try all of the different lures and such that this one comes with. So again, this is going to be the 373 piece set from Plusinno.